JD here. Today I'm working on the carbs. I thought I'd take you along as we go ahead and work on it. Finally got them off the bike, so let's do something with it. Before we do, go ahead, hit subscribe, hit like. If this is like your second or third time, or multiple time here, you really need to hit subscribe. After all, something keeps you coming back, right? You like it a little bit? All right, let's do it. I just want to say there's a special place in hell for people who use electric screwdrivers and strip screws. Like 1 out of every 5 is a mess. Let's see if we can get... Well, you probably can't see it, but it's like 1 out of every 5 is stripped and has to be manually removed somehow. Don't do that. Torque them properly. Alright, so here's how we take the tops of the carbs off. Remove the screws. Carefully pull the top cover off, because there's a spring. Once you're done with that, very carefully lift this piece out. Make sure that you don't rip the membrane. There's a pin on the bottom, so be careful. Congratulations, the top of your carburetor is now open. Alright, well here's something interesting. Got the tops off of these carbs. I pulled the one off of here because I noticed something. You notice this is all shiny and looks good, and here there's all this gunk. That can't be good, so I'm going to hit it with some carb clean and see what happens. Alright, so I filled it up with carb cleaner. Notice it's bubbling. It's kind of eating away at that, so I don't know what that is, but we definitely 100% need to get it out of there, so the carb cleaner's doing the job. Alright, headed over to the store. I really need a toothbrush or something to be able to get into some of these nooks and crannies and get the gunk out. So, see you in a bit. Up next, let's remove the bottom. If you've had gasoline in it, you probably need to drain it. There's a screw right here. Let me go ahead and remove it, and we'll show you the screw. Stand by. Okay, so this is the screw. You notice it has a rubber O-ring on it to keep it sealed, keep the gas inside. As you remove the screw, gas will come out of here. So make sure you have some kind of pan or something to catch the gas in. But 4 screws, 1 on each corner. Alright, that's it for today. Unfortunately, the phone on my camera screwed up some shots, so I've got to reshoot some things. So we'll just leave it there. Go ahead, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time where we get to the bottom half of the carbs. So I'm JD, I'm out.